Hello, all the EV enthusiasts out there. My name is Manira Minto from DIYguru, and I am here to share an amazing opportunity that is waiting to be unleashed. But before that, let's put some light on the current scenario. Did you know? According to a recent report published by VBox, the result is quite shocking. The study demonstrates that only 48.7% of the total youth is employable. Yes, that means 51.3% of the Indian youth is unemployable. Addressing this alarming scenario, the pioneer of EV upskilling platform DIYguru is providing an ultimate opportunity for the students to gain the hands-on exposure which is required to inculcate the industry-specific skills among the Indian youths. Through this workshop, the learners won't only be getting the hands-on experience but also an opportunity to work on a live project through prominent software like Altair and SolidWorks. You must be wondering who can attend the workshops. Well, the workshop is designed in a manner that will benefit not only students but also professionals ready to start their startup or business in the domain of electric vehicles. The upcoming 2-day workshop is going to be held on 8th and 9th January 2022. So, here is an opportunity to mark a fresh start of the year with an unmatched determination towards a successful career. Stay tuned with Electric Vehicle Mile for a journey that will make you agile. Thank you.